my dear student. A warm welcome to all of you. I am Jay sir and you are watching English Mantra. So, my dear lovely students, as you can see, we are studying synthesis of the sentences. In the previous video, I have taught you how to form a simple sentence. Okay? And here we are going to learn how to join two or more than two simple sentences into a complex sentence. Okay? So, without wasting our time, let's see. So dear, as you can see, I have mentioned the heading formation of complex sentence. Okay? Formation of complex sentence. So, at the beginning of the sentence, I have mentioned here a note. There are three methods to form a complex sentence. It means to say we can join two or more than two simple sentences into complex sentence by using three methods. So let's see what are those three methods. Okay? So here, as you can see, the first one, by using noun clause. Okay? We can form a complex sentence with the help of noun clause. Second method is by using adjective clause. Okay dear? So we can also form a complex sentence by using adjective clause. And the last one, by using a verb clause. So dear, you can form a complex sentence with the help of a verb clause. Okay? Okay. So dear student, we have to learn these three concepts one by one. Very first, we will learn formation of complex sentence by using noun clause. Then after that, we will study formation of complex sentence by using adjective clause. Then we will study formation of complex sentence by using verb clause. So let's start the sentence. Okay? So very first, we have mentioned the first heading. The first heading, formation of complex sentence by using noun clause. Okay? So let's see how to form a complex sentence by using a noun clause. So dear student, in this concept, we will study two or three types. Okay? And you can understand it very easily. So let's see. Type first. I have mentioned here type first. What is type first? So you can see when the fact, just listen me, when the fact, statement or belief, when the fact, statement or belief of a sentence is accepted or explained in another sentence. Okay? When any fact, any statement or any belief, okay, is accepted or explained in another sentence, then such types of sentences, okay, such types of sentences are joined into complex sentence by using conjunction that. Okay? So we use that to form a complex sentence. Is that clear? Suppose that you have a sentence and the fact of the first sentence is accepted or clear or explained in the another sentence. So that sentence must be joined in complex by the help of conjunction that. Is that clear? Okay. So I have mentioned here example for you. And here one thing you can remember, generally type 1 sentence. This type of sentences either start with the word it, this or that. Either the sentence begins with these words or at the last of the sentence. ठीक है, you will must have these words like it, this and that. Okay, is it clear? Either you will get these words at the beginning or you will get these words at the end of the sentence, at the last of the sentence. Okay, so I hope you have got me very well. Okay, so dear student, as you know, noun clause function as noun. Noun clause function as noun, and we know very well a noun can be used as the subject or as the object of the sentence. Is it clear? So you can also join these sentences, okay, by noun clause, and when you join the sentence, the noun clause may be either subject or either object of the verb. So now the conclusion is that how we will identify that the sentence, that noun clause will be as the subject, will be used as a subject or will be used as the object. But student, I am giving you some trick. If the sentence start with these words, okay, then the noun clause must be object of the sentence. Okay, and when the sentence start with such words, when the sentence end with the words it, this and that, the sentence must be used as the subject of the sentence. Okay, so you can see I have mentioned here a sentence example. He has lost his watch. It is a fact. So you accept this statement in that sentence. So I have told you already, when any statement, any fact is accepted in the another sentence, then we join that sentence into complex huge conjunction that. Okay, so when you synthesize this sentence, very first you will write this one, because I have told you if the sentence start with it, this and that, you will write that sentence very first. So when you synthesize this sentence, you will write very first this sentence. It is a fact, and after that you will use the conjunction that you will use the conjunction that. Then you will write the other sentence. He has lost his watch. Okay, is that clear? So you can see I have formed this sentence into a complex sentence by using conjunction that. Okay, now okay students, sorry for disturbance, it was some technical problem. So dear, let's see the second example. Ram is a dull boy. Everybody knows it. Okay, so when you synthesize this sentence into complex one, so you will write everybody knows that Ram is a dull boy. Okay, clear? So I hope you have got my points very well. Okay, so till that two you can note down all points because there is no space. So I give you 2 minutes to note down till here. After that I will discuss type second. Okay, so I give you 2 minutes. Note down. Okay, so I hope you have note down. Okay, students. So now see that second. When one sentence is inassertive or imperative. Okay, suppose that you are given two sentences to form a complex sentence, and one sentence is either assertive or imperative. Are you getting me? One sentence is either assertive or imperative, and another sentence is in interrogative. Okay, dear. So you have two methods. The first condition is, suppose that case first. Here is assertive sentence or imperative sentence. Okay, and the second sentence is interrogative. Okay, and do you know this interrogative begins with helping verb. Okay, so in that case, okay, when you synthesize the sentence, okay, so very first you will write either assertive or imperative sentence. Very first you will begin the sentence either assertive or imperative. Then to join both sentences we use conjunction if. Okay, after that interrogative sentence. Okay, this interrogative will change into assertive. Okay, so this is your structure, this is your trick that you will use. Okay, suppose that you have example. Tell me, can you tell me, can you post my letter? Okay, son. Now see, this is imperative sentence and that is interrogative sentence, and starting with helping verb. So when you synthesize this sentence into complex, so very first you will write either assertive or imperative sentence. So this is imperative sentence, so you will write tell me. Now you will use conjunction if, then interrogative sentence will change into assertive. So in assertive, very first we write subject. So what is the subject? That is you. Then you will mention here you. Tell me if you, then helping verb can post my letter. Okay, is that clear? Now see case second. Okay, second, we have example. I do not know why is she so sad. Okay, sir. Now see the example. I do not know why is she so sad. So this is an assertive sentence, and this is an interrogative sentence. But now we have a little bit changing. This interrogative sentence is starting with WS family. Question word. So dear, when one sentence is either assertive or imperative and another is interrogative but starting with WS family. So in that case, we use to join both sentences that WS family. Okay? So you can see, I do not know. So after that, we use this question word. Why? And again, this remaining parts will change into assertive sentence. Okay? So in assertive sentence, we write subject first. So she is subject. So she is so sad. Is that clear? Okay? So dear, I hope you have got my points very well. So in type second, you will have two cases, case first and case second. In case first, we use conjunction if. In case second, we use the question word as the conjunction. Okay? And the remaining interrogative sentence change into assertive sentence. Just remember this point. Okay, dear? So I hope you have got these all points very well. If you have any problem, you can message me, you can ask me. Okay? So I give you 2 minutes to note down these all points and revise the video. Till then, watch the video, enjoy, bye, take care. Okay, dear?